NgiseBelliden 2 Nedbank House Building, ngisebenzela kulona-ke ngise-19 floor la ngikhona. Njengamanje ngise-Dark Room Studio, studio number 1, and 1904 to 1905, there is a studio there. Ake singeneni-ke bakithi. Engicela ukusho ukuthi the day le channel isikhuluma into umsuzwana ufuna siyiyeka. And then engicela ukusho futhi it will be advisable for me to beg you for to subscribe so that if we post another video you'll be the first one to know, because most people they watch this channel without even subscribing, but uthanda abanalo updatela is lemangazi siyabonga kakhulu. I had a video angayenza yabuka abantu abawu 5000 abantu abasubscribe kule channel abawu 5000 invest shuthi bayibuke bonke. That is beautiful. That is you too. Please, I'm begging you to subscribe as well and tell a friend about the channel to subscribe. There's a lot that you learn, a lot of that. Yeah. Because in the end, ngifuna ukuthi ngiyenza ku channel, ngifuna ibe orientated. Ingafana channel yenyanga, because we know ukuthi izotshelwa ngale eminyangeni. Siyazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngokuthi, but i-channel engenayo into ifundayo kuyona. It's just a catalog channel. It's a catalog channel, yabo. Yeah, lana into engifuna ukukhuluma la ukuthi yazi bakithi ake siyilungiseni lento le. Lento nje izokufuna izosounda kabi but ufuna siyilungise. Kunezinto ozenzayo nezi right futhi. But at your age, especially you are below 25 years old, it depending yakho eningi usadepende kwi-CV. I-CV yakho ikhuluma okuningi ngawe. But ake uphume ezintweni uyeke ukuyihlupha nawe mama nawe baba, phuma ekutheni uforce ingane yakho ukuthi ayenze izinto vese ezothi njengoba izoba na 28 ngoMay yenze teaching ya graduate ngoJuly oneshow ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ayizidinga kwi-CV yazo, but wena ubusy uyayipush ukuthi ayenze le. Yabona into engaveli kwi-CV, into engaveli even kwi-panel interview, into engaveli kwi-interview yakho engakaze nje ubuzwe ngayo, leyo nto ngicela ukuthi step down leyo nto leyo. Awuzame nje ukwehlisa kuyona ngoba leyo nto leyana it's made to terrorize you, destroy you, waste your time. That is isikhathi sakho siyi-quality kahle kahle, and you wasting your time ngento on a shock lento ayingeni ku-CV. Kunezinto ezingangeni kwi-CV ekufuze sibone ukuthi we really need this ngoba lento ayiveli kwi-CV. It means no one likes it, no one needs it. Like ubaba udokotela, I am one of the employers. Nami ngiyaqasha. I've got people abafika kubena ngihlale nabo phansi nephani ehlale nabo